Hey Facebook, I got an overwhelming positive response to continue to share some of my most fave recipes. I'm in a good mood today. Went down to San Diego, saw my nephews. Hi Jake, hi Daver. And today I'm going to be sharing sweet Furikake Chex mix. So the ingredients are 1 box Crispix cereal. Rice Chex is probably the better flavor. 1/4 cup butter. 3 tablespoons granulated sugar. 1/4 cup light corn syrup, 1/4 cup vegetable oil or canola oil is what I like better, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon sesame seeds if that's what you like. But I tend to just go with plain, 1 package of plain cut up seaweed. Check it out. So I'm going to go ahead and start the fire. Fortunately, I have already melted all the ingredients that I just named off. And so what I'm going to do right now is just kind of mix it. It took me about 2 minutes to melt everything, and this is the consistency of the syrup. A little bit thick, but not too thick. So it's already melted, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and add the Rice Chex. This is a brand that I like, and I like Rice Chex better than Corn Chex. Just add it to the syrup. You gotta work fast. You gotta get that mixed in. So we're gonna mix this about 4 minutes. Gotta make sure the syrup gets to all the cereal. And that gives it its unique look and taste. So just keep mixing. There is an option for this to do it in the oven, but you know, for a quick snack for your family, this is my suggestion. To kind of just, I guess, aka stir fry it in a large wok. And you could already tell that it's kind of getting sweetened up. Takes about 4 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and move on. I'm going to add the Furikake seaweed. And just kind of keep mixing for another 4 minutes. I tend to add the seaweed near the end so the seaweed doesn't burn too much. So this is kind of a dish that you have to tend to. You can't really walk away from it or you're going to have burned Chex mix. So we're going to move on, and I have a surprise for you. Last night I made 4 boxes of Furikake for everybody. That is your Christmas present. So to sweeten it up, let's add the butterscotch, and the kids are messing around, and the coconut flakes, and they're gonna mix it around like mahjong. Keep mixing, kids. Look at all of them working well together. Keep mixing. Okay, the viewers want to see one of them put in a bag and tied up.
Good, Mommy.
Here you go. I'll hold it open for you, son. And this is a good way to get your kids working together for a good cause. Say hi to the camera, son. Hi. Sophia, where are you? Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
All right. So that is 4 boxes of Furikake Chex mix. And if I see you today, tomorrow, or next couple of days, this is your Christmas gift, sweet Furikake Chex mix. Thank you for listening.